competition definitely just got fiercer. But wait up, joining us on the floor are this season's celebrity dance stars. Let's give it up for Asian Idol Shanti Vidala. Former sex bomb dancer Sugar Mercado. Energy. We also have dance royalty heir Cos Salas. Our dashing Kapuso leading man Rocco Nasino. Revealed just last night, our mystery celebrity dance star, none other than the multi-awarded actress, Jasmine Curtis Smith. May pasample na agad yung mga dance stars natin. But of course, today is made truly special as we are also joined by the head of the Stars on the Floor Dance Authority, the dance hitmaker, and our Kapuso primetime queen, Miss Marian Rivera. Once again, a round of applause for our Stars on the Floor Dance Authority and Dance Stars. At this point, let's give our guests the chance to take photos and videos. Maybe ask our stars to please stand up and step forward and strike your killer poses. Our official photographers are at the center. While you are taking photos, let me remind everyone again to please use our official hashtag SOTF Media Launch. Big smiles, everybody. Alright, parang maubos na ata yung film ng mga camera nila. Okay, siguro yun. Now, we move on to the question and answer portion of today's event. We now open the floor to our dear media friends who are excited to get to know more about our stars and their plans for SOTF Season 2. We would like to thank those who submitted their questions prior to the event. Our first question comes from Manila Standard for Miss Marian Rivera. When it comes po to the routine and co-labanan, alin ang mas matimbang sa'yo? Yung perfect ang steps, pero kulang sa emosyon o puno?
Actually, honest naman ako. Palagi kong sinasabi na every time na nanonood ako, gusto ko nakikitang nag-e-enjoy sila. At the same time, syempre, kailangan tama yung steps nila. Tapos, yung partner nila medyo, alam mo, nagsisink in sila. Pero importante talaga sa akin, yung nakikita ko na ini-enjoy nila yung bawat pag-indak nila. Yun malaking point sa akin yun.
It's a take note na ba eh?
Opo. Number 1 yun eh. Emotion.
May pen and paper ka
Yung
din.
puso. Ito naman for our P-pop dance stars. Sabi ni Jeremy, unahin ko daw si Joe. You guys
Jeremy
are...
muna, Jeremy.
May pagturo eh, no? From Manila Standard, you guys are used to performing with your respective groups. How has the experience being part of a reality show where you get to work with celebrity dance stars?
Siyempre, naninibago pa since nahiwalay kami sa group namin. But na-excite din kami na magkaroon kami ng partner na bago and magkaroon kami ng bagong chemistry and bagong friends. And nakaka-enjoy kasi ibang genre rin ng sayaw yung nasasayaw namin every episode. So nag-enjoy rin kami. And I think lahat po kami is nangangapapa and naghahanap kung paano isasayaw and i-enjoy yung piece na ginagawa namin.
Ayan. I think si Jeremy sasagot din. Since tinuro niya si Joker, no? I think it's only fair.
Ayun nga po, tulad lang po ng sinabi ni Kuya Joker, nahiwalay po kami sa sarili naming group. So, especially for me, since I'm one of the youngest here, hindi po talaga ako sanay na nakikilala. Ayun nga po, so ngayon, malaking adjustment yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Kasi at the same time, while inaaral yung step, I have to make chemistry pa sa mga kapartner ko. So, yeah.
Pero parang sa nakita naman natin sa episode last night, parang wala naman masyadong adjustment na kinailangan gawin dahil ang galing ninyong lahat. I think this one naman is for Jao, Sophia, and Denise. How does this show prove to the public that P-pop training is actually way more intense than people think?
I would say that P-pop training is no joke. It's a dedication of your time, investment of a lot of your time. Kasi most of us here, dumaan tayo sa 2 years, minsan umabot pa ng 5 years, tapos yung pahinga lang is maybe weekends or maybe wala man pahinga, minsan lang talaga. Para lang ma-perfect talaga yung technique, execution, and moving as one, as a group. So I think that is what is hard when it comes to P-pop training. And nakatulong talaga siya pagdating namin dito sa Stars on the Floor. Pero, malaki din yung adjustment dito sa Stars on the Floor, which is fun.
I think it's a different environment po kasi with this show. Pero yung haba ng training and yung difficulty ng training namin, it's very rigorous kasi parang it's not just dancing and singing specifically. It's everything, how you present yourself, how you bring yourself out to the public. So I think overall, yung training namin is nakatulong talaga with this one. I think it's a big advantage. And I think we're just having fun talaga with this journey, and we're very happy to be here, and we're very grateful.
Yes, and syempre nakatulong din po yung endurance na na-train namin sa bawat rehearsals din namin as a group. Syempre, kami as a dancers, kami yung parang naging main dancer sa mga group namin. So, kami as a group, pag nasa group kami, so kailangan din namin pantayan kung ano yung mga levels din ng mga kasama namin para mas maging mix kami. Kumbaga maging as one kami kasi as a group kami. So, ayun po. And ngayon na parang solo na kami ngayon, parang ngayon mas mapapakita namin yung bawat isa na strengths talaga namin.
Yes, and I think isa pa yun sa advantage na I think most of us, if not all, galing talaga tayo from dancing with a group. And I think it's not that much of a difference with dancing ng may ka-duo. So I think dun namin na-exercise yung pagbuo ng chemistry with other people.
But your guys' presence here, talagang itinataas ninyo yung bandera ng P-pop. So I think a round of applause. Mabuhay ang OPM, mabuhay ang P-pop industry. Next up naman, this is for our celebrity dance stars. Eto na, ready na ba kayo? Kasi parang nag-enjoy kayo magchikahan dyan eh. Again, from Mr. Nicky Wang.